This is what I call be cam ready. Cam ready, camera ready. Now, for those of you in the know, Love Island was on the telly this summer here in the UK. Love Island is a program. I don't watch it, but a lot of people do. My wife says she loves watching Love Island. And she used to watch it in the other room, and I watched my TV in the other room, and it was great. Anyway, on Love Island this year, there was a company called Cloud9, I think they call themselves, who are a manufacturer of hair straighteners and those things. And what they did pro bono is they created this this hair station, as they called it, where around this circular table were these 6 or 7 Cloud9 straighteners and hair dryers all connected up or whatever, which allowed up to 6 girls in order to get themselves ready for the camera. Because, you know, this is kind of like models, stuff like that. And it was great because they all simultaneously get themselves ready, out they go to camera. They were camera ready. I think some of the boys are also able to use this particular station as well. Maybe not the hair straighteners, but at least the hair dryers as well. Now, that's the point, you see. When you're dealing with Zoom or camera-based advising, etc., whatever you're doing, you've got to be camera ready. You've got to be able to switch on your camera very quickly and know that whatever's coming out is of a reasonable quality. You've got to obviously check your image, what you look like, your shirt or blouse or whatever you're wearing. You've got to make sure your background is in order as well. Now, these are what we call zoom zones, which a friend of mine, Rob, called it, or teamscapes. It's just the background that you like to appear against. You can have green screens if you want, but people like a bit of authenticity online as well. Obviously, on this background, I've got my whiteboard, and these are all ready. The cameras are fixed up. They're not budging anywhere. Not webcams. They're DSLRs. They're connected to a gadget there that does everything for me. I'm camera ready. Now, this is my living to do this, so I have to be camera ready. But what we're saying to you, though, as a mortgage broker, make sure you have some camera available to you. It's already hooked up. There's a background that you're comfortable with. There's lighting that you can switch on very, very quickly and get yourself promoting yourself as well along the way. That's called camera ready. It's great, the Love Island. It's finished now, but when it was going on, Shelley loved it, and of course I loved it too, because I could watch my TV in the other bedroom. The other room got two TVs, and I was watching things like my war documentaries, my Premiership football, which started recently as well, my war documentary, war films, World War I documentaries, my BBC4 music shows from the 70s, which I love as well. So I was watching all that dull stuff, and if you're yawning already, I totally understand. You're about.